Welcome or welcome back, whichever applies to you. Last time I did handstands and shoulder stands on the rings at the gym and managed to get 300.7 seconds of time in the air with one touchdown. Now I took a day off and I'm back on December 23rd for my 35th day. And it's going to be another handstand and shoulder stand day. And you may have noticed that I'm kind of neglecting baby iron crosses, and I think honestly I'm just excited at the prospect of getting real balance. So let's clear the scoreboard from last time and see what we can do. Okay, first attempt of the day. Let's see how it goes. We have liftoff. Going up. Not quite a good enough reactionary force to not hit the bar. Getting a shoulder press in while I'm still fresh. Sinking down slowly. Looks like I'm trying to get a little bit of balance. A little bit of press motion. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 57.2 seconds with 0 touchdowns. Okay, second attempt of the day. Here we go. Starting off with an L sit. I think my legs are starting to look a little bit straighter. Going up. Pretty decent shoulder press motion for the second one. Trying to get a little bit of balance. Oh, that wasn't bad. Pretty hard impact on the bar there. A little bit of press motion. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, we can add 62.8 seconds and no touchdowns. Okay, third attempt. Watch me go. That's kind of odd, almost bounced back down. A little bit of balance. That wasn't bad. A little bit of press motion. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 60.3 seconds and 0 touchdowns. Okay, attempt number 4 of the day. Going straight up. Ooh, pretty good reactionary force. Not enough to not hit the bar, but I think I honestly hit the bar because I was swinging, not because I was rotating. You can see the smile on my face there. Going back up. Gonna go for a little bit of balance here. Oh man, that was like a solid 2 seconds. Another smile on my face. I'm full of smiles today. Pretty hard impact there. A little bit more balance. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's an additional 59.4 seconds with no touchdowns. Okay, fifth and final attempt of the day. Here we go. Else, it's still looking pretty decent. Try and get balance somewhere other than the absolute bottom. Actually, not terrible. That wasn't bad. Was also not bad. Do it again. Ooh. A little bit of press motion. That's a little goofy. Almost looked like I thought I was going to come down and decided not to. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 53.6 seconds of time in the air and 0 touchdowns. So as a grand total for the day, we were in the air for 293.3 seconds and had 0 touchdowns. Okay, some takeaways and then I'm going to wander off. We had slightly less time than last time, but it was very close. And we're back down to no touchdowns, which I attribute a lot of that to the fact that the descents are very controlled for the most part. And I did talk about slacking on baby iron crosses, and in reading my book, that probably wasn't a great idea, but oh well. Now on the topic of balancing off the bar, I know that 1 or 2 seconds doesn't seem like a whole lot, but it's an improvement from where we were at, and honestly when you're up there, it feels like 4 or 5 seconds. Another reason I'm very glad I took all these videos. But that's it for the day. Feel free to check back in, or not, up to you.